Look at the picture. Think about it for a second. What is the transversal? Which line is the transversal line? Okay, what's transversal mean? It's got to go through both of the lines. So of these lines, R is the only one. It starts going and it goes through N and it goes through M. If we were to try to pick N does not go through, it only goes through R. It doesn't go through 2. Okay, so R is definitely a transversal. Okay, corresponding angles, which means they have to kind of match up. So take a second, look at the corresponding angle vocab. Okay, and I can go back and look, because mine's not, I should have just did a whole slide.
We could also say 1.
Okay, so here's our corresponding. It means they kind of match up, right?
4.
So it means that your house has got to be right on the next street and right in front of your neighbor's house. Okay, so if we look at that picture, what are going to be some corresponding angles? Okay, and I can tell you that 1 and 3 are corresponding.
Yeah.
What else? 2 and 4 are corresponding. 8 and 6 are corresponding. What else?
5 and 7.
5 and 7 are corresponding. And you can kind of see all of our colors match up. I got red, blue, green, and purple. Red, blue, green, and purple. Okay? So what that's saying is they're looking at 2 separate pictures. Which ones match up to the bottom ones? Okay, so let's look at our answer choices. We got 1 and 3 we know is 1. 1 and 3. So we cannot use C or D for sure. Okay, and then we got 2 and 4. Those both check out. 5 and 7 and 5 and 8. Well, 5 and 8 does not go together, so it's going to be A. Okay, this one says name a pair of same side interior angles. Okay, so what angles are going to be the interior ones?
The 2 and 3.
2, 6, and 7.
Yep, so 2, 3, 6, and 7. These are all interior. Okay. So same side interior. Same side means that they lie on the same side of the transversal. So which of these lines, if I numbered them, 1, 2, and 3, what is the transversal? 1, 2, or 3?
1.
Yeah, 1's the transversal. So same side interior, it means that they have to lie on the same side of the transversal. So we have this side of the transversal, and we have this side of the transversal. So we already know that these ones are interior. Okay, so same side interior means these ones lie on the same side of that transversal line, and then these ones lie on the same side of that transversal line. Okay, so what answer choice is that going to be?
D.
D? Okay. Okay, it says in the figure are 1 and 8 alternate interior angles, same side interior, corresponding, or alternate exterior. So 1 and 8, take a second, find it. Okay, and here's our lines, 1, 2, 3. What's the transversal? Which of those lines is the transversal line? 1. Okay, 1 is the transversal. Okay, and you have to know which one's a transversal because when you start talking about same side, we need to know, are they on the same side or are they on alternate sides of that transversal? Okay, so where's 1 and 8? So right here's 1 and right here's 8. Okay, so the first question I will always ask yourself, are they interior or exterior?
Exterior.
They're exterior. Are they on the same side, opposite sides?
Opposite.
Yeah, so they're gonna be alternate exterior angles.
Oh, what was the last question?
I have no idea. I'll go back to it in a little bit. Okay, it says decide whether the angle pairs, and we got 1, 2, and 3. Okay, first thing we need to figure out which one is our transversal. Look at my picture. Which one is the transversal?
Five.
What do you guys read?
Like two.
I got 1, 2, and 3. Which of those lines is the transversal line? 3. Okay, so it says decide whether the pairs of angles 1 and 2. So you have to start grouping these together, otherwise you're not going to know. Okay, so and it's kind of hard to do, but 1 and 2, and then they want to know 6 and 1. 6 and 1. Okay, and I'm gonna put a little green dot here. 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Okay, they want to know, are they alternate interior angles, same side, corresponding, or alternate exterior? So it says choose the best statement that describes angles 1 and 2. Okay, so angles 1 and 2. It's gonna be right here and right here. Okay, so ask yourself, are they interior or exterior?
Exterior.
No. I'm not.
Huh? Okay, is 1 interior or exterior?
Interior.
Interior. Okay, what about 2?
Exterior.
It's exterior. So if you know it's not going to be interior or exterior, okay, because they're both. Okay, so you can kind of cross those off. Okay, so are they going to be same side interior angles or corresponding angles?
Corresponding?
Yeah, they can't. Why can't they be same side?
Because they're not.
Opposite. No.
You're missing the most obvious. Why can't I choose same side? What does same side say? Look at it. Because I didn't read the whole thing. It says same side what? Huh? Interior angles. So it says same side interior angles. Are those both interior? No, so we can't choose that one. So they gotta be corresponding. Okay, it says choose a statement that describes angles 1 and 2 correctly. I think I put this one on here twice, did I? Okay, so they're corresponding. That's my bad. That's it. Okay, I tried to make it a semi-short day because I know it's Monday and you're tired, but. Make sure your name's on it.